Good morning, Year 5. Today your task is to complete the Friday challenge. So you have got 4 tasks to do over the day. You've got a reading task, a writing task, and 2 creative tasks, okay? So I'm quickly going to walk you through what you need to do for each task. So you can see the first task is the reading task, and it says, read the description of the night and consider what the poem tells us about the night's qualities and values, highlighting words and phrases that he uses to describe the night, okay? So to complete that task, you need to go into your reading file. It's underneath, and he will tell you exactly what to do. So read the poem, consider what a night should be like, create a mind map of traits that the night should have. So here there's the poem of the night that can help you, so you need to have a read of that. And then you've got this slideshow of images that have got information all about nights to help you. And then task 2 is to complete the reading task. So if you open that up, there are a list of questions for you to answer for your reading task, okay? And then you've got your writing task. So it says to write your own poem about St. George. So St. George is a famous knight. So if you go onto the writing tab, you are going to learn about St. George, a famous knight, and write a poem about him. So we practiced writing a poem yesterday, so you should be ready to do this nice and easy today. So you've got all this information here to help you, so have a look through all of that. You might wish to mind map your ideas before you write your poem, and then you can send that through to Mrs. Willis and I once you have performed it, and you can send us the video, okay? If you struggle to do that, you might be able to do it on Purple Mash as well. And then you've got your 2 creative tasks. So the first creative task is to research shields and design your own. Then you need to justify, so you need to say, why did you choose your design? What does it represent? What does it mean to you? Okay, so if you go on to creative 1, there's lots of facts there for you to use, and some templates of some shields as well. So we look forward to seeing those and how creative and colourful you can make them. And then creative 2, you are going to read about the role of a knight in battle, and then you can either print a picture of a knight or you can draw a picture of a knight, and then you are going to label that drawing based on what you've read. So as you can see, you can read about the role of a knight, label a drawing of a knight, so this could be printed or drawn using what you have read. And then there's some information here, so this link here will take you to a website, and this one here will open a PowerPoint for you to use as well, okay? And that is it for today, and you can still have a go at spellings and things if you would like to do that, but that isn't a requirement of today. If you do need any help from Mrs. Willis and I, please send us an email and we will help you and get back to you as soon as we can.